What if your QGIS map could live on the web, fully interactive, zoomable, clickable, without writing a single line of code? In this video, I'll show you how to turn your QGIS project into a live web map using QGIS 2 Web. Powered by Leaflet or Mapbox GLJS. Desktop maps are powerful, but they're limited to your machine. First, let's install the QGIS 2 Web plugin. Go to Plugins, gives Manage and Install Plugins. Search for QGIS 2 Web and click Install. Once installed, you'll find it under Web gives QGIS 2 Web gives Create Web Map. Now let's export our map. Go to Web gives QGIS 2 Web gives Create Web Map. Choose your map library Leaflet for lightweight 2D map or Mapbox GLJS for vector-based performance. Next, you can enhance interactivity by enabling pop-ups to display attribute data when features are clicked. Once exported, your web map is a complete HTML website. With QGIS 2 WEB, your GIS project becomes a fully interactive web application. No GIS software required on user's end. Here's what you should remember. QGIS 2 Web converts QGIS projects into working HTML web maps. You can choose between Leaflet or Mapbox framework. Legends and controls are fully customizable. Maps can be hosted locally or shared publicly via GitHub pages. And the best part, no coding required. If you want to share your GIS, web mapping is a must-have skill. Please like this video and subscribe for more QGIS and geospatial tutorials.